Hello friend, welcome to Side Scanner YouTube channel. This video discuss about by exclusive Jaguar boss explains how the Type 00 can save the company. So let's start my video. Love for Jag never paid the bills, so how will the bold new direction TG chats to MD Rowdon Glover. People love what Jaguar has been a measure of the love is the social media pitchfork mode that as assembled around its plan to charge change, but love never paid the bills. When Jaguar made Braves cars the final shape, XJ, the I-Pace, the second generation XK8, they struggled to sell when it made continuous cars. The E-Pace, the XE, they struggled even more. JLRS 1 on HQ company car park was full of discoveries and Range Rovers, not Jaguars. These people called even sell-free Jaguars to sell themselves. I am concerned this latest directional survey serve to brave and expensive cars might meet a similar fate. Everyone wanted Jaguar to be successful, but too few did. The one thing that the world have made it so by one can this paradox be correct. I am here to ask Rowden Glover Jaguar MD for evidence that points to success. For the dramatic new direction, we have researched this intensely. He tells topgear.com. We have spoken to about 1,000 prospective clients across the UK, North America, Europe, and China. We'll tell to them in detail about our brand, and we shown them the model lineup on one of the tools we use in conjoint analysis, which is very good at getting to what people are prepared to pay for a product you might like. Porsche Taycan Turbo S review a pointless 952 bhp Porsche. This is the DS No 8, a big French cruiser with a 469-mile electric range. Hybrid RN25 prototype review a 4WD hot hatch with supercar firepower. A Barth design chief would want be doing retro design. We show them the exterior, then the interior. Talk about the specification that gives us confidence in this product. Proposition it's got to be a setup change from what we do today, and it's got to look like it's worth 1,20,000 euro. We put it in that context of competitor cars as well. Some people get it straight away and thinks it's fantastic, want to order one. Some people it's not for them, but because the proposed high price means more profit per car, he is not proposing selling big numbers that inside. He says has further emboldened the team, and Glover stressed that it won't just be about the cars. The clients told us you got to change the brand and the wall ownership experience. So we looked at every element because it all adds up to this term willingness to pay. The dealer will be different, presenting the cars beautifully, not just standing them on a carpet. They offer you fancy good and drink. Talk about collabs with the artist and the link and the like for owners. Jaguar plans storytelling about how the cars come to be, even a dialogue with the creators. Buyers want to be created like an insider. They have a product podcast of Gary MC Govern, design head or engineers access to information that they won't otherwise get the joining a community. The pain of servicing will be eased to the car can automatically alert Jaguar of its own needs to, so Jaguar will plan the dealer appointment and get a courtesy car, the some sort you are driving, not some pure pole disco sport to where you need it. Okay, that's the future. Glover explains why Jaguar strategy so far this century would work. Jaguar is too small to pay in the mass scale premium market. However, inspired some of the cars might have been bigger rivals called always outpants Jaguar and so out engineer and out tech it making their lead unassailable. It's dominated by purchasing and manufacturing efficiencies and economies of scale. Top Gear newsletter. Get all the latest news, reviews, and exclusives direct to your inbox. Email your enter your email here. Creativity wants inert for Jaguar. In fact, over the past 18 months, these things have gone bad for BMW, Mercedes, and Audi in China. One of their main profit engines because Chinese buyers have switched to local brand high-tech cars that further justify Jaguar's new high-end boutique car strategy, says Glover. So, in it, view this rocky couple of decades was accused by any deficiency in Jaguar image. Really, the brand is okay. Why not just invent a new one like Lockheed or Hippie or New or Young Monk? Glover leans back in his chair and pushes. It's clear he considered it, but he says the shareholders at Tata hold Jaguar clearly, and that on many normal metrics on brand value, spontaneous awareness, familiarity, expression, it scores a high. I turn it around and say, well, if you were one of these Chinese brands, that what would you give for that? He also laughed off the idea of adding his cars to the Range Rover brand, as when Porsche took a huge deviation by adding the Canisius to its sports car. JLR is busily separating Range Rover from Discovery from Defender in their brands as well as their range. Jaguars has to be separated to Glover Insights. He says the new Jaguar platform is just slowing. It has different proportions and overhangs from a Range Rover and will drive very differently. Lots of BEVs are quite homogeneous. Euro means they look like a bar of soap. And if Jack's image has been coded by tackle like the TX type diesel instead of shonky golf club salons, it might not matter by 2026 when the first new Jaguar goes on scale. Affordable cars get forgotten, memorable ones get remembered, especially when the clear dealer was carry glossy prints of George Best with its E-Type and Steve MC Queen with his XK SS and 70 School XJ SS and the most rakish of historical salons. The great fashion brands, he says, can revisit their heritage in a way that feels wholly modern. One last thing, is there actually a market for 1,20,000 uh, euro electric cars? Jaguar will side in price between the top and premium EQE liquid carten Chinese and the Uber Lux Rolls and Bentley, we think there's a wide space not just in price but for a brand that's being more disruptive. People buy cars for their design and interior powertrain. It is about 13 on the list. The electric think lots of BEVs are quite homogeneous cab forward design, small wheels that are good for range, higher riding because of a battery area. Aero means they look like a bar of soup. You up with vehicles that don't have emotional resonance. We made the attitude. It's completely different. It's going to have incredible presence on the road. But surely there are other reasons why Higley and EVs are streaking. It's an S curve, right? It's been really steep. It's flattened. Of it's going to go again. The vehicles going to launch in 2026 have an 8 9 year life. I am looking at where the market but going, but people aren't going to buy this because it's electric. They're going to buy it because they think it's beautiful and the brand resonates. तो दोस्तों आज की वीडियो को लेकर सिर्फ इतना ही। मैं मिलता हूँ आपसे अगले वीडियो के अंदर, तब तक के लिए बाय।